Hello everyone, this is your Varun and welcome back to my YouTube channel, One Man's Voice. I'm back with a short video on how to buy Trons using Klever Wallet. This video is specially done for the Trons community people who are staying at abroad countries. As lot many people contacted me and requested me to make a video on how to buy Trons using their credit and debit cards in their respective countries, as they don't have proper exchange applications. I'm making this video. So without any delay, let us all get into the video first. Let me give you an introduction before I explain you how it works. Okay, so basically you don't need to install any other third-party applications in order to buy your desired cryptocurrency. If ever you want to join in this Trons community, you have to install an application named Klever Wallet, right? So this Klever Wallet people has come up with a innovative option of buying Trons using this Klever Wallet itself. Okay, and let me just show you practically how it works. So I'm opening this Klever Wallet. What all you need is just a Klever Wallet in order to join in the Trons community, and as well as to buy Trons or whatever the cryptocurrency you like using this wallet. Okay, so let me open this Klever Wallet and I'm entering the 6-digit pin. So after entering my pin here below, let me show you one more option first. Okay, so here you can find these send, receive, stake, freeze, these all options, right? These stake, send, receive, freeze, votes. And if you scroll right side a little bit, you'll find this buy option. Okay, so if you click on this buy button, you'll get redirected to some third party website that is known as Simplex. Okay, so here this Simplex website allows you to purchase Trons using Indian rupees or using US dollars or whatever your respective currency is, and directly that purchasal what you have done will be credited to your Tron wallet. Okay, so here the minimum amount that you need to afford for buying Trons is 3,669. That is the minimum amount this Simplex website takes to purchase Trons, and maximum you can do as you like. So I'm entering something like 3,700. See, if ever you enter 1000 TRX and click on next, here it will show you a pop-up of minimum value should be 3,669 INR and maximum value is so and so. Okay, so I'm entering 3,700 INR and then clicking on the next button. When you enter that, it will show you the respective Trons what you're going to get in return. See here, 1205.386 TRX is getting displayed. That means for the amount which you are putting 3,700, you're going to get 1205 TRX in return. So this Trons gets varied as now the Trons price is a bit higher, so that is why you are getting somewhat less TRX for the amount which you are affording, and in future even this rate gets fluctuated, and there will be a variation between this INR and this Tron amount. Okay, so after entering this amount, if I click on the next option, it will ask me to enter my wallet address. If ever you are willing to take it to your some other wallet, so please copy that receive address of that wallet and just paste that address over here in this column. Okay, so as I'm doing it from my own wallet, it will automatically take my address and then it will ask me to click on this proceed to checkout button below, and I'm clicking on this proceed to checkout button. So then it will redirect to the third party website using this Klever Wallet interface. Okay, and the website name is simplex.com. So you can see the interface over here, and it will directly show you the amount which you have entered in the previous page over here. Okay, and it will directly ask you your personal details of credit and debit card to complete this payment. Okay, and before completing this payment, let me give you one more small introduction, something like, the problems of these websites, the advantages of these websites, and procedure of how to make payment. Let us go step by step. Okay, so before this, I'm going to tell you one more important thing. See, basically, what is this Simplex website means? I have told you I'll be telling you two options on how to purchase trons in abroad countries. Those two options are Simplex and Transak. These two websites, allows you to purchase tron using this Klever Wallet itself. Okay, one name is Simplex and the other one is Transak. I'll tell you the spelling of that: Simplex, and the other one is Transak. Transak. Global.transact.com. Okay, this is the website. So I'll be telling you stepwise on how to purchase trons in these both websites after a while. Before that, let me give you some introduction about these two websites, what it is exactly mean. Okay, these Simplex and Transact are the brokerage medium websites which allows user from various countries to purchase their desired cryptocurrency using this Klever Wallet or using their websites. Okay, you know what happens when you think about the other countries? In few countries there may be lack of these proper exchange applications, so they can't buy these trons or their respective currencies whatever they're willing to. So in that case, they'll try contacting some other third party vendor, and then they'll purchase it from him. They'll pay some amount to him, and in return they'll take this cryptocurrency. This is all a lengthy process. Instead of that, now you can choose these two platforms. One is Simplex and Transact, which is very genuine and provides you a very good interface with which you can complete your transaction in a hassle free manner. Okay, so let me give you some introduction about these problems of these two websites. Okay, not exactly the problems what people are facing until this websites has come up. Okay, so currently there are some apps that can't access mainstream customers in most countries because their customers can't buy crypto, and they have to hack their multiple on ramps and payment methods from different countries, or send users to a third party exchange. So this user experience varies, and so do the fees as well. If ever they're contracting with other third party vendor and they're taking this cryptocurrency, as I told you before, they take some charge and everything varies. So that is completely a lengthy process. And in order to solve this problem, this Simplex and Transact has come up with an innovative payment methodology in this wallet interfaces. Okay, so this Transact and Simplex solves this by aggregating multiple on-off ramp providers around the world to allow apps to handle fiat deposits and withdrawals. Okay, from from all over a global user base. This Transact and Simplex takes out all of the complexity around local compliance, the payment methods, and liquidity as well. Okay, so if ever you're willing to buy any cryptocurrency using these websites, it will take a kind of KYC verification from you, and your transaction will be done within a matter of 2 to 30 minutes. That's it. No need to visit a third party website again, and no need to pay some exchange rates to that. Directly you can buy it using your own credit and debit cards by completing a few KYC procedure steps. That's it. And let me go ahead with the advantages of this Transact and Simplex websites. As I told you, these are the brokerage medium. These technologies allows all these decentralized applications to go mainstream. First thing, mainstream, what exactly it means? By it allows deposits and withdrawals in a fair decentralized application, and that can meet all the customer needs all over the world. There may be few places in which there won't be proper applications, and they don't know how can they buy these cryptocurrencies, and it is actually applicable for all of those people who are waiting to buy cryptocurrencies. and directly they can go to mainstream and go global. This Simplex and Transact works with local payment methods in both Eastern and Western markets. Instead of just expensive card payments, you can just choose these both websites and directly make that payments done with your respective banks or your own cards than taking it from other vendors. Okay, and you can find the easy integration as well. That is basically not needed. This integration can integrate all these widgets in a few lines of code or connect directly to a white label API, which is not needed to the users who are going to purchase trons. So there are plenty of advantages for this brokerage mediums. That's why I'm giving you this introduction, as you can trust this Simplex and Transact at any cost, and you can purchase your respective currencies using these websites. So without making any delay, let me go ahead with the procedure now. I've completed the advantages and I've told you how it works basically, and let me go ahead with the procedure. Before See now, as I have already told you how to log in into the Simplex, you need to enter the amount on clicking on that buy button, and then it will directly redirect you to this card number page, and you need to enter your respective card details. Okay, for suppose if I enter some random card details, so after entering the card details, you know it will ask you to enter the name on the card and then the security code. And if ever you don't want your card to be saved, then just turn off this checkbox, tick off. See, I'm just turning it off, and then you can click on next button. So it will redirect you to the next page in which you need to complete the address verification. So you need to enter the address, whatever the address you're willing to enter, you can enter it there. It's not regarded to your basically the KYC documents. So you can enter whatever the address that you're willing, and then the next page after that it will be the KYC page. In that KYC page, it requires few steps from you. Okay, so one is the ID which you need to give them, something like Aadhaar card, and the other one is of driver's license, and then a selfie. That's it. With the use of these three documents, you can complete your KYC in a hassle-free manner, and then you can successfully purchase the trons whichever you're willing to. That's it. That is how the process works with Simplex. And let me go ahead and tell you about Transak. So I'm clicking on back button, and here see, if you click on this globe option below, I'm clicking on this globe option. After clicking on this globe option, in enter a URL section, please type TRANSAK, Transac. Okay, global.transact.com. It is also the same website like Simplex, but as I already told you, in Simplex, if you want to purchase trons, you have to afford 3,669 rupees minimum to purchase trons, as they need to pay some exchange rates to their third party websites which is giving them the access. So it is mandatory for you to buy a minimum trons worth 3,669 in Simplex. And when it comes to Transact, the interface will be more good than that Simplex. And here, if ever you want to purchase TRX, so as the page is already opened, you can see all these options below. Here there is an option called ETH. See, I'm circling it up. ETH, you need to click on this arrow, then it will ask you to search a currency. I'm entering TRX, so Tron, select this mainnet coin, and the total fees and everything, the rate of the trons will be updated over here. And in the top section, you pay 50,000. See, there is a column over here, right? So just click on it, and the minimum amount here in Transact which you need to afford for purchasing TRX is 7,000 INR. Okay, you can purchase this 7,000 INR worth TRX in this transact.com, and after entering the desired amount, it will show you the calculation, how much charges it will levy on your card. Here, if you see the calculation, there's a total fees that is mentioned 439.68 INR. That is the fees which they are going to charge for you as you are transacting using your credit card. As we all know that we can't skip the charges which are going to get levied on our credit card. And though we buy cryptocurrency or whatever it is, some other exchange platform charges very much high. And compared to that, these Transact and Simplex are brokerage mediums which provides this desired cryptocurrencies with a less charges. Okay, that is why I have picked these both websites in today's session and I'm telling it to you. Well, here you can check the Tron rate over here, and then the total fees. If you click on this, for what purpose that fees are getting debited, it will clearly show you. Okay, so the calculation you can check it, and the total fees is the form of INR, and this fees get split, and a part of fees will go for this website of global transact.com, and the other part of this fees goes to your bank account, which if ever you're transacting using your HDFC bank or your ICICI bank, these these banking people will charge you for exchanging your currency. As you are using your credit card and buying a cryptocurrency, there will be some exchange rates as you're using it in an international website. Okay, so that how these all things works, and these are the charges which you will pay for your banking sector, not for these people. These global transact.com will only charge I guess a matter of 17 rupees, and Simplex will charge the same, something like in between 15 to 20 rupees, and that's it, not more than that. If you talk about some other exchange websites, it will charge huge. It will charge huge, excluding your banking deductions, it will charge huge. So that's why this Simplex and Transact is preferable. And here you can see you'll receive the estimate amount. Here you can see 2326.35 is the TRX that you are going to get, and this total fees also get included in that, and then you're going to get this 2326 on total. And here there is one more option that you need to pay attention to. Here bottom of this TRX, below this TRX option, you can see this processing time, right? The processing time basically takes 2 to 3 minutes. As this is a third party brokerage medium, it allows you to purchase trons using this website, and then it interlinks your Klever wallet and it has to deposit this amount directly into your Klever wallet. So that is why it takes some time. Okay, so if ever you are purchasing your currency in some other websites and you need to transfer again back to your Klever wallet, and obviously it takes some time, that is what the time which is going to be taken by this website as well. Approximate time they have mentioned is 2 minutes to 30 minutes, but basically the transaction gets successful if everything is happening in a smooth way, in a very short span of 2.5 minutes. That's it. That will be the time in which your transaction can be successful. And if ever the transaction is not successful in any case, kindly wait until 30 minutes, and that's it. Your amount will be credited. I mean, the respective trons will be credited. If not, if there is any issue between the payment gateway interface, the amount which you paid will be refunded to your bank account, the source account from which you paid, the credit card. Okay, that's how it works. And then after clicking on this buy now option, it will redirect you to this next page where it will ask you to enter the Tron wallet address. As this is a brokerage medium, which is a third party medium, okay, as you have entered the URL in this URL section, so that is why it is asking you to enter an address. Okay, in previous Simplex, as they have given directly buy option, it is not asking you to enter the address, as it has automatically taken your address of your wallet from which you are transacting. But when it comes to this global.transact.com, it will ask you to enter the TRX wallet address. So in which wallet address you are going to take this amount? For suppose if you are going to take this amount in your Klever wallet, so copy the address of your Klever wallet account which you have created, and then paste that address over here, and then it will show you how much charges. See, transact fee is only 17.5 rupees, as I have told you, and the exchange and network fees are 422 rupees. These charges are levied by your banking sector. Okay, and then if you click on buy TRX, as I told you, there will be few options. See, for suppose if I'm entering an address, okay, Let me enter an address. I have copied my address and I'm entering the address over here. So then if I click on this below buy TRX button, it will redirect to the next page, and that is the last page. In that page, you need to enter few verification details. As I already told you, see, as you are transacting for the first time in this Transak website, you need to do a quick KYC, for which you have you need to have this below ID proofs, something like residential address, driver's license, proof of address, selfie, and your KYC will be almost completed within instant. If not, it takes something like 2 to 4 minutes, and that's the maximum. And you can complete your KYC very quickly. Trust me, if everything is right, your KYC will be done in within a matter of seconds. And here it will ask you to enter your name. So enter your name, first name, last name, and your mobile number. You can choose your country over here, India, and then let me just search it out. India, and then you can enter your mobile number and date of birth. And if you click on continue, then in the next page, it will ask you to complete some KYC process. I'll show you how it works. See, I have entered my details and I've clicked on this next page, and here it will ask me to enter this address. And then if you click on continue, it will show you the confirmation page, and after that again it will get redirect to the last page of KYC. In the fourth step in KYC page, you need to upload these details whatever I told you: ID card, something like Aadhaar card or passport or driver's license, and a selfie. That's it. Your KYC will be done, and then you can successfully make your payment. As this is an international website, it doesn't require any OTP from your card. Directly the amount will be debited from your card. And don't forget to turn on international usage option in your bank, in your respective bank. If you turn on this international usage option in your card, then only this transaction is going to get successful. So make sure your international usage is turned on. Okay, so after that, that's it. Your transaction will be done successfully, and you can buy these trons in your respective website, and then that will get redirected automatically and will get credited back to your Klever wallet. That simple it is. I hope you all understood whatever I told, and that's it for today's session. As there are other application, see, let me show you that as well. The video is getting little bit lengthy. So there is another application named Binance. If you click on this Binance will also allows you to purchase this cryptocurrency with your credit and debit card, and this can be accessed throughout the world. And see, if you scroll down these upper pages, you can see this option: buy crypto with 50% off credit and debit card fees, and this offer is a limited time offer. If you click on this option, directly it will get redirected to the page, and here you are seeing this option, right? Buy crypto with credit and debit cards. Click here. So click on this here. So automatically it will get redirected to the payment page, as that is a hyperlink. And here you need to select the currency. So if you click on this right side option, here it will ask you to enter the coin. So here you can't buy that using your INR. You can only buy that using your US dollars. Okay, and here the minimum US dollars you need to afford is 15, and the maximum would be 5,000. Okay, so for suppose let's say I'm entering 100 US dollars, and after that, in below that you can see this BTC option. If you click on this BTC, it will ask you to select your desired coin which you are going to purchase. So you can find all these cryptocurrencies over here. As I didn't tell you this Binance option before, just because this Binance don't allow you to purchase TRX using your credit card. There won't be TRX in this option. Instead of that, you can purchase any other cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, BAT tokens, WET, and lot many other tokens, BNB tokens, ZIL, and EOS, USDT, Tether US, everything. excluding trons. That's why I have skipped this option. But if ever you're going to purchase any other currency, and then if you want to exchange that currency to your trons, you can just do it through this website. Like purchase your desired currency, and then you can exchange this currency using your Klever Wallet, just like swapping or using some other exchange websites, and then you can change it to trons. Okay, that is how it works with Binance. So as this is a special video done for the trons community, I have told you these two options of Simplex and Transak. So it is genuine and very much user friendly platforms with which you can purchase all your desired currencies in a hassle free manner. So don't choose any other websites excluding this. Go for it, purchase trons, and happily do your business. That's it for today's session. I'll be back with a lot more technical informative videos the next time. Till then, stay tuned, subscribe, share, and like this video and my YouTube channel. This is your Varun signing off.